Wednesday, September 12th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start with a look from the 5 o'clock hour this morning from the Avalon Pier web camera. Northeast wind there. You can see the flag kind of whipping around there at this current time frame. The water temperature there, 70 degrees. Air temperature, 66. And the wind, again, out of that northeast, kind of gusty at times right along the coast this morning. And the radar, quiet as it gets. We don't have any areas of rain or thunderstorm activity across our region. You look off to the northwest, though, there is some rain stretching from parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Nebraska, South Dakota, and points south and west. That is with a cold front that will move in here this weekend. There's still been some flooding issues at times back in the desert southwest. Currently some flood products up for parts of Utah and into parts of Colorado as well. But again, around here, things have been very, very quiet. Just a gorgeous day yesterday. Now, it took a while for the clouds to erode away around Charlotte, but eventually they did, and it was a gorgeous afternoon and evening. Highs in the upper 70s in many spots across the foothills into Piedmont yesterday afternoon, and I think a similar scenario for high temperatures today. Right now, 63 in Charlotte, a lot of surrounding areas in the 50s, though. Same story with Greensboro. 55 degrees in Raleigh, 46 now in Boone, and even along the coast, some comfortable 60s this morning. Highs today, pretty warm in the southern plains, 93 at Dallas, but compared to how hot and muggy it's been there this summer, that's not too bad. And look at the fresh air in parts of the Rocky Mountain region, the high plains, the northern Rockies there, a lot of 50s, 60s, 70s for highs in that region behind that next cold front I mentioned. Pretty quiet around here this morning. The cloud cover not as extensive as what developed across the southern Piedmont of the upstate, but there is some cloud cover there. But if you're seeing that this morning, it will erode in time, and we'll have a lot of afternoon sunshine, a gorgeous day. You see Stormcast pretty quiet today. I think we're looking at upper 70s, maybe a few low 80s, and still low levels of humidity. Dry air mass in place. That hangs around for 24, 36 more hours before the atmosphere begins to moisten up a bit as this next cold front approaches. Now, I've kind of scaled back the rain chances for the weekend. I can't rule out a shower or a storm there Saturday or Sunday, but for the most part, the rain chances look pretty unimpressive over the weekend. However, that changes as we get into early next week. Monday, one area of low pressure kind of rides from the Gulf Coast region up our way. Could bring us kind of an occasionally rainy day Monday, a few thunderstorms too, and then another cold front approaches by Tuesday and Wednesday. And that'll bring us another opportunity for some showers and thunderstorms at that point in time. Now in the tropics, we're down to one system, and that is Nadine. In the central part of the Atlantic Ocean out there. It's another big, expansive system, kind of like we saw earlier with Leslie. That was a huge system. Michael was much smaller. But there's Nadine kind of cruising around out there in the Atlantic Ocean now. It is a tropical storm with the winds listed at 45 miles per hour as of the 5 a.m. advisory. But Nadine as well, about to make that hard right-hand turn, even prior to reaching anywhere close to Bermuda. Probably will become a hurricane, but it will not threaten land until maybe it gets over closer to the Azores Islands or Europe, probably as a non-tropical type of low. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day today, and God bless.